Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.